Hi, this is Brian M. Curran from DraftedServices.com, and I'm shooting a video of the project site I'm at today. Right now, I actually have the phone pointed out the window at the building across the street. It looks awesome with the snow coming down, and let me show you what I'm working on. So I am in an apartment. The apartment is about 2,500 square feet. It's newly purchased, and the new owners are going to be doing some remodeling. So I'm creating floor plan drawings, a reflected ceiling plan, and some interior elevations, and also an electrical plan. So I was just standing in one bedroom with a bath. Here's another bedroom. Here's another bath, another bedroom. Peek in here. We have this little common hallway, mechanical closet here, and then we have a hallway kind of into the more common area, I guess you'd call it. Fireplace with living room, windows. We have like a study here. This is back towards the front of the building. And now we're going towards the entrance of the apartment. So there's the front entrance. I have a bath here, kind of a big powder room bath here. Then we're gonna wrap around into a smaller kitchen. So this is once was a dinette here, a bunch of cabinets, more cabinets, fridge, and here is the kitchen with a little washer dryer there also. And then here is the rear exit entrance. So that's what I'm working on today. I wanted to show you around. If you're ever, I'm on the Upper East Side, if you're ever in need of existing condition drawings, whether it's on the Upper East Side, anywhere in Manhattan, definitely please feel free to give me a call anytime. Thanks for checking out my video, and have a fantastic day.